Just a little fire, a little flame, a little something soft to carry your name. Let the night take it in, let the smoke be the prayer. Cedar burning in a sand shell boat, moon high, tide slow, heart full of gold. Lavender trails from her open palm. Night air thick, but the spirits stay calm. Eyes like embers, steady and low. She don't chase me, she lets it blow. Sandalwood thoughts in a midnight show. Every breath she takes is a sacred flow. Purple glow, in the dark she rises. Every puff, every trip